In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use BNB Vault on Binance. This guide will walk you through the process of accessing the vault, subscribing your BNB, and monitoring your earnings, ensuring you understand each step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance mobile app. Once you arrive at the home page, locate and click on the login button if you are not already signed in. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, then proceed to log in. After successfully logging in, look for the Earn section in the main menu. This can usually be found in the navigation bar at the top of the page. Next, within the Earn section, find and select BNB Vault. This option will allow you to access the features related to BNB investments. Before you can proceed, ensure that you have sufficient BNB in your spot wallet. If you do not have BNB, you will need to purchase some or transfer it from another wallet to your spot wallet. Once you have verified your BNB balance, you can proceed to subscribe to the BNB Vault. Look for the option that allows you to enter the amount of BNB you wish to deposit. Enter the desired amount accurately. After entering the amount, review the estimated returns displayed on the screen. This information is crucial, as it gives you an idea of what to expect in terms of earnings. If everything looks satisfactory, confirm your subscription by clicking the appropriate button labeled Confirm. After confirming your subscription, the BNB Vault will automatically allocate your funds into flexible savings and launch pool products. This allocation helps maximize your earnings. To monitor your earnings, return to the Earn section. Here, you can view the daily rewards generated from your BNB Vault investment. Keep in mind that if you have subscribed to flexible savings, you have the option to redeem your BNB at any time, providing you with flexibility in managing your investments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.